Hello and welcome to Rennsport 7. Today we have a very special car to show you. This is 356 number 1. In 2023, we're celebrating a very special anniversary here at Porsche. This is 75 years of Porsche sports cars, and it all starts right here with this prototype. Now, you're probably familiar with the 356. Very beautiful, very popular car that would go on to seed all of what we have here today at Rennsport 7. But the story starts in a very modest place, with only 35 horsepower in a prototype version that's a mid-engine car that would go on to serve as the basis of the 356, which is a rear-engine car that had a 1.5-liter boxer 4-cylinder engine, making very, very little power. It's a beautiful vehicle. Come here and I'll show you some of the details. A lot of this stuff didn't make it to final production for the 356. For example, the clock that is built into the glove compartment door. Small touches like this help to show us that this is, again, a predecessor to the production car, which would go on to become a coupe, a speedster, a roadster, and a number of other configurations both in road and race car form that would inspire countless generations of Porsches to come.